As y'all can see, QVR has done it again with their crochet style. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, 𝐂𝐿𝐃𝐄, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you these gorgeous crochet braids that I was able to achieve from QVR. This is their kinky curly 100% human hair, and I have them in 18 inches in a natural 1B hair color. What I love so much about the technique of this crochet hair is, number one, the fact that it's human hair, so we can style it any way we would like. 2, it's reusable. 3, with the versatility in the handmade tie that comes on each strand of hair, it makes it easier for the hair to lay, also easy for you to install. So we're gonna get into it. So I decided to have a little bit of leave out in the front part of my hair just because I'm experiencing some shedding around my edge area. So I just wanted to part that out just to give it more of a natural look in the front. As you can see, girl, I only got 6 braids, so you don't need a lot. Now, when it comes to this, to make it go faster for me personally, I did install 2 pieces at a time. So instead of doing 1, I did do 2. My braids are bigger and I wanted to complete this in less than 2 hours, which I was able to. So that's what I did all around the head. And then when I got to the front, I did a special technique, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. As you saw previously, I was using a regular crochet needle, but now I'm going to be switching to this tool that they provided with the hair. So this is going to come in each pack of the hair that you receive from QVR, and I'm going to stick this through, only tying 1 piece of hair. To me, this is going to give it more of a seamless finish, especially around the front, so that when it flips over, it just looks more believable. Let's just say that. And one thing I love about doing this method is it makes this part right here easier to take out. Now, I wouldn't do it around the whole head because it's not as secure as tying both of the strands, but you can get away with it just doing a couple pieces in the front to give us that seamless look that we are looking for. I definitely think when it comes to crochet braids, what I love so much about them is the versatility of them, and the fact that you can literally take a break from the wigs and let your scalp breathe. Not only that, if I wanted to go jump in the pool right now, I could, and all I gotta do is just wash my hair, get it back in formation, to which I'm gonna show you how to do, and you'll be good to go. Like, And then because my braids are so big, you got to make sure you fill them in. So I did have to, outside of the braid on my natural hair, fill in some crochet pieces right there as well, so that I didn't have a big gap in between each braid. And I went ahead, and to be honest, I wasn't a fan of, I'm never a fan, let me just say that. I'm never a fan of how the hair looks straight out of the pack. So I have to go in and I have to get the curls out of that pack formation and really get the curls looking the best way possible. So I went ahead and I wet my hair in the shower. I fully submerged the hair in water, and then I use these products that you see me popping up on the screen. Lottie Body Foaming Mousse is always going to be my go-to. Extreme Gel to me is the best gel for curly hair. And then I went in with some yall Curl Smoothie. With the Curl Smoothie, a little bit goes a long way, so you don't have to use much of it. However, when you get to that Lottie Body Foaming Mousse, use a lot, sis. You see I'm just pumping away. Use as much as possible, because that's what's going to make those curls pop, as you can see them popping right here on the screen. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. When you get hair in general, you're gonna have to tailor it to the way that you would like to wear it and the way that it would sit on your face. So you did see me go in and frame it. You really can't be scared to cut your bundles, because again, they're coming in a uniform state, and to me personally, I just like it when it's personalized. To me, it's just like getting something custom made, or just like going to get your clothes altered to fit you. You gotta go in and you gotta frame and shape the hair. My trick to making it look bigger on the first day is to fluff it out a lot more than I would typically do, just because that's the look that I want to go for right now. And I just took the brush and I just fluffed it out with my hands. Y'all, this is human hair. I actually wet the hair while I was in the shower, and I just love the fact that you get so much versatility out of these crochet styles. Like, crochet braids are not the crochet braids that I was doing back in 2018 when I started this channel, and I am just so in love with this look. Y'all know I'm real big on my channel about learning how to do your own hair, because here it is, I'm in a whole nother country. Nobody knows how to do crochet braids over here. The fact that I can get a look like this in the comfort of my own home, and literally just a matter of 2 hours, not breaking the bank, like, you cannot beat that. This hair is reusable as well. You saw that the way that they make the actual hair, it has that little loop effect at the top. As long as you strategically take these out the way that they're supposed to, you could definitely reuse this hair. Summertime is upon us. Not only can you reuse this hair, sis, we can go on vacation with it, we can swim in it, we can do all the activities that we want, and it still look this good. I love that for us. Y'all know how I do. I'm gonna leave all of the information down in the description box below for you for QVR, so you can get your hands on some of this hair. Thank y'all so much for tuning to this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.